Hello children, today we are going to learn the letter N. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter N. N for nest, N for Nimra, N for net, N for newspaper, N for noodles. This is the letter N. Reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. Nimra's father is reading a newspaper under the nest. She takes a net and found noodles. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell the students that bird makes their nest from straws. T. Listen to the letter N by watching video. E. Use Play-Doh to make a shape of N. A. Draw 9 dots in N and tell the students to connect them with colorful lines. M. Count objects beginning with the sound N around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. N-A-P. Nap. N-U-T. Nut. N-E-T. Net. Well done, children. Goodbye.